man ang pangarap mo, matutupad yan dito sa NCF.
College of Computer Studies, College of Arts and Sciences, College of Teacher Education, College of Accountancy and Finance, College of Business and Management, College of Engineering, College of Health Sciences, College of Criminal Justice Education. Let your quest begin here at the Naga College Foundation, because we don't just educate, we elevate.
Experience NCF high-quality education and be part of the community of champions. Be a Tiger now.
Leap into the future.
Ako si Jericho Rosales, sarong aktor, kasurog kang kalikasan, Oragon, Bicolano. Ang boto ko, ako Bicol. Ako Bicol, 131 sa balota.
March 16, Sunday afternoon, and we are live now here, still at the NCF covered court for the second match for Bucal Women's Volleyball. I am Kelly Francisco, and joining here with me today, of course, Aljan Pogoy. Good afternoon, Aljan.
Good afternoon, Kelly. Good afternoon, volleyball fans here in Bicolandia. Welcome to the much-awaited match of Ateneo Golden Lady Knights will head-to-head against the CBSUA Lady Buffaloes. Both of these teams ay may papatunayan ngayong hapon. But we will see, Kelly, kung sino ang magwawagi ngayong hapon.
On this quarterfinals nga, it's the Buffalo versus the Lady Knights. Kanina nga, Aljon, nakausap ko ang head coach ng CBSUA kung saan same training as on the preliminary ang gagawin nila. Kaya naman nakapasok sila dito sa quarterfinals.
Well, knowing Ateneo Lady Knights, previous season nagpakita sila ng magaling na laban, but they are hoping to carry it out this season of Bucal, and they are wanting to be in the semi-final round of Bucal Season 6 Volleyball.
And ayan nga, Aljon, will be witnessing later on this game between the Lady Knights versus the Buffaloes. Siyempre, bago sa ating paningin dito, ang CBSUA Buffaloes, and makikita natin since we are back on the live streaming dito lang sa ating Facebook page. But right now, let's hear an update first on the side of Ateneo. April, take it away. At ayan nga, now that we are still on the side of the court, makikita natin ngayon sa ating screen ang Ateneo Lady Knights. But right now, again, let's hear an update on the side of the Ateneo. April, take it away.
Thank you, Aljan and Kelly, and hello to our viewers. We are now in the quarterfinals of Bucal Season 6 Women's Volleyball, live here on Oragon Sports TV. This is your courtside reporter, April Birano, come from the bench of Ateneo. According to the... Rinig na rinig nga natin ang intense na mga hiyaw as ADNU Lady Knights set foot on the court for this battle against CBSUA Buffaloes. according to their team captain Myla Olosa, ang gusto niya lang makita sa court ay maging kalmado ang team at mag-enjoy. May apply ang mga nainaral nila sa training at lahat ng itinuro ni Coach. So we have here, Coach. So ayun, Coach, before anything else, so kamusta naman po ang feeling na nakapasok po sa quarterfinals ang team?
Sa totoo lang po talaga, sobrang saya namin. Kasi di naman namin inaasahan talaga to. Kasi for rebuilding ang team namin.
So ano naman po ang mga adjustment na gagawin ng team ngayong laro?
Siguro, adjust na lang kami sa service, sa error. Tapos yun, dapat maging malakas sila. Malakas ang loob.
So the floor is now yours po, Coach. Anong message po sa lahat sa buong ADNU community at lahat ng sumusuporta po sa Lady?
Okay, lalo na po sa coaches namin sa ADNU, maraming salamat po. Tapos sa Cavalry, kay Coach Alphon, Coach Jake, lahat po ng coach sa Ateneo community po, lahat. Thank you po, thank you.
So ayun nga, talagang handang-handa na ang Ateneo. Handa na rin kaya ang ating mga tagapanood. Yan ang aabangan this afternoon sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. This is again April Birano Kamo, maghahatid ng mga kaganapan on the court side. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much for that update. The Ateneo Lady Knights is a rebuilding team, a lot of potential to showcase against their opponent here, and also there were adjustments quoted by their coach, and we'll see on how this rebuilding team get a snatch and a win against the CBSUA Lady Buffaloes.
Yes, Aljan. And right now, still on the screen, the warm-up of the Ateneo Lady Knights. And it's the first day of the quarterfinals for the women's volleyball. At makikita nga natin maya-maya lamang kung sino ang mananaig sa dalawang team na ito. Siyempre, same mindset, same system for the both teams. And now, we are heading on the first set after this warm-up from the Buffaloes. But right now, let's hear an update naman on the side of CBSUA Buffaloes. Dylan, ano ang update dyan?
Thank you, Kelly and Aljan. Hello, Bicol Lanja. This is Bucal Season 6 of Volleyball Quarterfinals. I am Dylan Talagtag at ako maghatid sa inyo ng updates on the side of CBSUA Lady Buffaloes. Ramdam nga dito sa loob ng court ang determinasyon ng Team CBSUA na may panalo ang laban. So here's with me is the head coach of Team CBSUA, Coach Ray Lavay. So good afternoon, Coach. Since we are here now at the quarterfinals, ano ba sir ang plan o strategy natin to win this matchup?
Bali po kung anong preparation namin noong nakaraang elimination, hanggang ngayon, yung pa din ang preparation namin. Yung pa din po yung preparation namin.
So kumpiyansa ho ba kayo, Coach, na maipapanalo ng Team CBSUA ang matchup against ADNU Golden Knights?
Opo, kasi nakita ko yung mood ng mga bata, medyo nasa kondisyon sila ngayon. Sabi ko, laruin lang nila yung laro nila.
So, any message, sir, to your supporters?
Maraming salamat sa inyo. Manalo matalo nandyan kayo. Hindi nyo kami iniiwan. Salamat po.
Thank you, Coach, and good luck. At ayun nga kay Coach, they are going to enjoy this matchup. At ang katanungan ay kung maipapanalo nga ba ng CBSUA ang first set for this game. At yan ang tututukan natin dito sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to the panel.
Thank you, Dylan. I like how complacent the coaching staff is. Really, they're knowing that the teams are ready to showcase their skills. And as they are warming up, they're also warming up to get this win against the Ateneo Lady Knights.
Yun nga, Aljan, Coach really knows best, di ba? Sinabi niya nga kanina na nakikita niya sa mood ng mga bata na kayang lumaban at may panalo ang game na to. At makikita natin yan dito sa larong ito kung mamamayagpag nga ba ang CBSUA Buffaloes or makukuha pa rin ito ng Ateneo Lady Knights.
And shout out to all our viewers on Facebook at Oragon Sports TV. You can share, comment what teams are you supporting, and also comment down below kung gusto nyo magpa-shout out, and so that we can acknowledge you. And you can also watch this at YouTube at One Media TV 48 Naga.
Yan nga, Aljan. Also, congratulations sa ating mga bagong courtside reporters dito sa Bucal. A job well done on their first time, seeing on the television, having that opening spiels, talagang pinaghandaan at alam mong magagaling itong mga courtside na to. At abangan po natin sila dito lang sa Bucal Season 6.
And sa aming pagbabalik, masasaksihan natin ang tapatang Lady Buffaloes against the Lady Nats only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Ano man ang pangarap mo, matutupad yan dito sa NCF.
College of Computer Studies, College of Arts and Sciences, College of Teacher Education, College of Accountancy and Finance, College of Business and Management, College of
And we are live back here now at the NCF Covered Court. Napapanood po tayo ngayon dito sa Facebook page ng Oragon Sports TV at ng GNTV-Naga. We are now seeing the starters of the Ateneo Lady Knights and now the starters of the CBSUA Lady Buffalo.
Now, a lot of expectations for this both teams. They showcase really good talent back on the elimination rounds. And we know that they can do more here at the quarterfinals. But I'm sorry to say, we will only need one from this both teams.
Actually, yan talaga ang meron sa larong ganito. Even lahat ng sports, may mananalo at matatalo
That's
talaga.
true.
Kailangan lang talaga ng galingan. Kung gusto nilang makuha ang panalo ngayong araw at umabante dito sa ating quarterfinals. And we will be starting our game. We are now seeing on the court the starters of the Ateneo Lady Knights. We have Fortaleza. And also Masalunga. And now jersey number 12 ready to serve, Renton.
Now Buffalo on the open. A good catch for the Lady Knights. Now an early free ball. And a back-to-back free ball. Chance for Lady Knights to kill this one. But unfortunate error, kapos ang attempt na yon. And a point will easily go to the Buffaloes.
Medyo malayo yung set na yon. The spiker did not anticipate it para may pasok ang bola. And right now, serving jersey number 2 for Buffalo. And it's a service ace for the CBSUA.
Now Buffalo is on the deck to serve. Jacogoy. Now that sails out.
An error for the CBSUA. Kaya naman puntos for the Ateneo. Now serving jersey number 17, Masalunga. Good receive there. Now to the open. Taas yung bola. Masalunga to the open. Good pick up, but a point for the Ateneo Lady Knights.
Now miscommunication on the side. The CBSUA, they are waiting for their setter to pick up that ball. But if you're in the crucial situation, you could have get that ball just to save and get that point. But
Sisimula
rally,
pa lang.
that's true.
Ang laban. Right now, it's a good point na ibawi dito ng CBSUA Buffaloes yung error na ipinakita nila kanina.
Now Santos is on the deck to serve. A good serve for that girl, Santos.
That reception error coming from the Ateneo Golden Knights. Wala masyado sa pwesto kaya hindi masyado nakuha yung first ball. But let's read it now. But it's a service error from the CBSUA Buffalo. An easy point for the Ateneo. Score, it's 4-3. Lamang pa po dito ang CBSUA. Now serving jersey number 1. Good receive. Now a free ball chance for the Ateneo. Now Masalunga going to Fortaleza, and it's a down the line hit with the help of the net. Point for the Ateneo Golden Knights.
Now a good down the line attack coming from the Lady Knights. An easy point.
Now still on the service deck, Padua. Almost a service ace na tatawid ang bola ngayon. In the middle. And that is a long shot for the Ateneo Golden Knights. Puntos for the CBSUA. A long shot coming from Sese. Naibawi agad dito yung puntos at ibinigay sa CBSUA. Another good serve to the open. And also an error coming from the Ateneo.
I think she was trying to get the spot on the down the line, but it was a little bit too strong. A good serve. Now free ball for the Buffaloes. On the open, soft touch. Good dive. And a great defense for the Lady Knights.
What a save there. Now on the opposite. Cross court. Tuloy ang laban. Now setting in the middle. Good save there. Good anticipation. Now, chance for the Ateneo. To the open Fortaleza, but that goes straight down to the net. Puntos for the CBSUA Buffaloes.
May halong gigil doon si Fortaleza. And that was coming from a long rally.
Yes, Aljan, actually, their problem right now on the side of the Ateneo, yung set medyo hindi ganun kataasan. But right now, let's see if mababawi pa nila ito. Long hit. For opposite. Ooh. Gawa ng bola in the middle for CBSUA. But a long shot for the CBSUA. Both teams have shown, errors dito. Palitan lamang ng error, palitan lamang din ng puntos. Actually, kanina ko pang napapansin dito, Aljan, when it comes to attack, both teams walang masyadong magandang attack dito because they are both struggling on their reception. And let's see on how they will adjust on this one.
Now on the deck to serve, Buffalo, their team captain, Bermilio. Now on the open, a good pickup from the libero Buffalo, challenging the double block, but that sails outside, no check ball.
Jersey number 17 from the Ateneo is currently struggling in terms of settings. There is no good receive. But let's see on how they will adjust. Same as with the CBSUA. Another cross court. Good dig there. Masalunga to the open. And that's a point check ball for the Ateneo Golden Knight. Now serving jersey number 6. And that's a service error. Nagbigay lamang ng puntos dito ang Ateneo sa CBSUA.
Now jersey number 12, Dador, is on the deck to serve. That was a good serve on the open. Straight to the net. I think the set was a little bit low. And then the spiker wasn't able to adjust on that last sequence.
Yeah.
But if you're the spiker, Kelly, you have to be flexible and adjust to what kind or whatever set the setter tossed to you, right?
Yes, actually, kailangan mo talagang gawa ng paraan since it's your role. However, medyo kinakapos lang dito yung Ateneo. But let's see if makakabawi dito si Renton on that spike error. Good serve, but it's an outside. Medyo napalakas dito. Yung serve na yon coming from Sese.
Now on the deck to serve, Sandico. Good first ball. Now on the open, soft touch, easy pickup.
Miscue there. Another long shot for the CBSUA. Even in the middle, medyo nahihirapan when it comes to attacks. Kaya naman an error. Now on the service deck, it's Renton serving. A good first ball there. Good save, but there's no anticipation on the net for Masalunga. An easy point for the Buffaloes.
Jersey number 2 is on the deck to serve. Hagokoy. On the open, soft touch, easy pickup. A chance for Buffalo with a little bit help from the net. A good point, courtesy of Bermilio.
Nakita po natin dito ngayon ang performance ng newbie dito sa Bucal Season 6 from the CBSUA Buffaloes. Now Masalunga in the middle. Oops, an error for the Ateneo. Another point, but a timeout right now for the Ateneo Lady Knights. We will go back after this short break dito lang sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. And we are now back on the hard court for the continuation of the first set. It's 49 in favor of the CBSUA. Now Masalunga to Fortaleza. Good dig there. Another one for the Ateneo. Another error hit from the Ateneo Lady Knights, and we will now be witnessing a substitution. 1 out and 3 in. We can see the frustrations on the face of jersey number 1. It's Padua. Right now, let's see kung paano makakabawi dito ang Ateneo. One hand pick up there. Now a chance. No good. On the set, the open, another top spin. Masalunga to Fortaleza in the middle. Good pick up there by the libero. And good block. Still. Now Masalunga to Fortaleza. But it's a point for the CBSUA Buffaloes.
Now that was a long rally, Kelly. You know, both teams really doing their efforts, sweeping the floor. But you know, I think Ateneo expected it too early to cross that ball, and you know, they weren't able to calculate it, and the point will go to the CBSUA.
And I think they're just overwhelmed with what's really happening right now on the quarterfinals.
That's true.
Kaya naman, there's no actually good anticipation on the net, even on the floor. But right now, Masalunga. And a good spike there coming from jersey number 3 from the Ateneo Lady Knights. It's Santelices. Now serving, but it's an outside.
Another point and another unforced error. Now 17-10 ahead. 7 points on the side of the Lady Buffalo. And an exchange of unforced error.
Now serving Santelices. Tanaas, middle. Good pick up again for jersey number 11. Good save now to Fortaleza. Another chance ball. Miscommunication there. And also another not a good first ball for the Ateneo Lady Knights. Actually, both teams are struggling on their offense and defense. Talagang labanan lang dito ng error. Palitan lamang dito ng puntos ang dalawang kupunan.
The Buffalo is ahead now. The chance for a kill for Ateneo, and finding that line. Now a good point for Lady Knights. Now what what's their problem is that when they get a score, they committed an unforced error. I think that's the thing that they must work on to minimize their unforced error in terms of their service. Now a push and easy pickup. But again, Kelly, the unforced errors.
Lumalamang dito yung CBSUA Aljan with that unforced errors, and tama ka nga, that's the thing that they need to work out right now para at least malamangan or mahabol dito yung score ng kalaban. And yun nga, as we can say, the unforced errors coming from the both teams, palitan lamang ng puntos, and it's 19-13 still on favor of CBSUA Buffaloes. Now serving jersey number 6 for the Ateneo.
That was a poor reception. A free ball for the Lady Knights.
Another miscue. Misset there. And puntos for the Ateneo. Naswerte, what a lucky point for them. But a called timeout for the CBSUA Buffaloes, and we'll be back after the short break. We are now back after the short break, the continuation of the first set for the Bucal Men's and Women's Volleyball Season 6. And now on the deck to serve, jersey number 6.
A great defense coming from the Lady Knights. Now an open attack, cross court. And Lady Knights touches the net, and a free point for the Buffalo, 5 points away and snatching the first set.
Correct, Aljan, 5 points away para makuha dito ng CBSUA yung panalo sa first set. But right now struggling, but a good save for the ADNU. Oops! And that's a double contact violation. Nag-agawan dito for CBSUA Buffaloes, yung setter at yung kanilang middle blocker. But right now, substitution, 1 out, jersey number 6 in. Still on the deck to serve, jersey number 4, Sese. But another unforced error for the Lady Knights. 21-15 ang puntos dito. And let's see on how they will get this through. Jersey number 6, Kidoles, now serving. Fortaleza, Masalunga in the middle. But it's a long shot.
That was, again, an unforced error. Targeting the down the line, napasobra lang ng konti. And there's actually no risk action on that attack.
A long shot there. Another double contact violation called for the Buffaloes. So, currently struggling on their sets because there's no good first ball. But let's see right now. Last 3 points for the Buffaloes. Now chance for the Ateneo. Masalunga to Fortaleza in the middle. Good pick up there. Another long shot for the CBSUA.
Another no-risk action attack. But understand the targeting the end line. That was a good intention, but there's lacking of risk action.
Actually, a good placement, Aljan, but still, you have said the wrist action is very important, lalo na when you are spiking. And now serving jersey number 12, Renton. Good pick up there. Now Fortaleza. Chance for the CBSUA. Another misset. Miscommunication there. Another good pick up. Masalunga to Fortaleza in the middle. And it's a check ball inside. Point for the Ateneo Golden Eyes.
Now what's working on the Ateneo side is that they get points if their attacks targets the end line or the end zone. And I think they must continue that. And also the ball, they are lacking in terms of ball distribution. Dito naman sa side ng Buffaloes, they have also needs to maximize their middle attack. Now again, good pickup.
Both teams need to be consistent para makuha ang panalo or makahabol dito sa set na to. But with that long shot coming from the Ateneo, another free point for the Buffaloes. Now on the deck to serve jersey number 2. Last 2 points for the Buffaloes. Another miss set, but a point for the CBSUA with that regalo.
Now we are now on a set point in favor of the Lady Buffaloes. On the deck to serve, Hakogoy. Again, poor reception. On the middle, Kapos straight to the net.
Now serving jersey number 17. Let's see if they can stop this match point, this set point, rather. Now Masalunga to the opposite with running attack. Now chance for the Ateneo to stop the bleed. Masalunga in the middle, another miss set, and it's a point. At dyan po nagtatapos ang ating first set with 25-19. And let's see sa ating second set only here in Bucal Season 6 ng Men's and Women's Volleyball. GNTV-Naga at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Ano man ang pangarap mo, matutupad yan dito sa NCF.
Yes,
College of Computer Studies, College of Arts and Sciences, College of
Ako si Jericho Rosales, sarong aktor, kasurog kang kalikasan, Oragon, Bicolano. Ang boto ko, ako Bicol. Ako Bicol, 131 sa balota.
Back on the hard court now. The first set was able to get by the Lady Buffaloes. We can really see that they are maximizing their skills. But Ateneo must adjust in some few areas like reception, defense, and offense if they want to extend this match.
That's true, Aljan. The Ateneo Lady Knights should be consistent on their good attacks. Iwasan lang talaga yung unforced errors kasi kayang labanan dito ng Lady Knights yung Buffaloes. And we are seeing right now we have 1-0 points for the Buffaloes, and now on the service deck jersey number 2. Good receive there, Fortaleza, Hulog. The back, another long shot for the CBSUA.
Again, no risk action attack. A free point for Lady Knights.
Now jersey number 17, Masalunga. Good anticipation there. Binalik opposite, but nanggigil dito yung Ateneo.
That's true.
Now on the service line, jersey number 8. In the middle. Good pickup there. Another goes straight down to the net. Error for the Lady Knights from Santelices.
Well, the set is quite low, but the spikers, know what, Kelly, kailangan nilang mag-adjust. And to know more updates on the side of the Lady Buffaloes, let's toss it to our courtside reporter, Dylan.
Thank you, Kelly and Aljan. First set pa nga lang ay nagpapasaklaban na ang nanggaling at angas ang dalawang teams. The Lady Buffaloes are giving their 100% para makapuntos. At damang-dama nga natin dito sa loob ng court ang adrenaline ng Lady Buffaloes. Naipanalo nga ng CBSUA ang first set for this game. Reminder nga ni coach sa players na mag-focus sa goal at magkaroon ng teamwork para patuloy ang puntos. Magpapatuloy kaya ang kanilang panalo o mababawi ito ng Ateneo Lady Knights? Yan ang ating tututukan dito sa Oragon Sports TV Liga ng mga kampiyon. Back to the panel.
Thank you, Dylan, for that update. Teamwork. This is what they need right now. Lalong-lalo na nalamang na sila ng isang set dito sa larong ito. They need to be consistent in order to get the game against the Lady Knights. But right now, on the screen, good pickup there for the Lady Knights. Masalunga to Fortaleza, and that hit the antenna. Puntos for the Ateneo. It's 4-3. And now serving for the Ateneo. Good pickup in the middle. Now another chance. A middle once again. Good placement but nabantayan doon. Chance for the Buffaloes. Again in the middle. One hand. Good. Now, but a point for the Ateneo. But right now, on the side of the Ateneo Lady Knights, let's hear an update to April. April, ano ang update dyan?
Thank you, Aljon and Kelly. We are still live here on Aragon Sports TV. We are on the second set between the Ateneo Lady Knights and CBSUA Buffaloes. At talagang kada segundo ng laro ay we can feel that the tension is on. Although the Lady Knights failed to win the first set, nagsisimula pa lang ang laro and we still don't know how this game will unfold. During the huddle nga, the coaches reminded the team na huwag masyadong ma-pressure at kalmahan lang ang laro. The coaches reiterated na dalin lang kung ano nga ba ang inaral nila sa training at huwag lang palo ng palo. Ayan, talagang eres sa battle yan. You don't want to miss. We are still looking forward na bumawi ang Ateneo and for them to bounce back. Kaya naman, don't blink and watch us live here in Aragon Sports TV. This is again April Birano Camo, your courtside reporter. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much. This is the match you don't want to miss because we are, Ateneo is now ahead 1 point. Rather 1 point. Now the CBSUA have to actually regain their momentum because they are ahead of 1 set.
Now as you see on the screen, that long shot hit by the Ateneo. It's 6-all now. Point for CBSUA. Now on the service deck, jersey number 4. Good placement by Fortaleza. Kabanggaan doon. And a good hit coming from jersey number 5. It's Bermilio. 2 puntos ang kalamangan dito ng CBSUA. And let's see if they will snatch again this second set. Now still on the service line, jersey number 4.
Now that sails outside. But a good target, by the way. Again, there's no risk action on that attack coming from Buffaloes.
Good save there. But a miscommunication inside the court. Walang kumuha ng third touch. An easy point for the Ateneo. It's 8-7. Now on the service line, Fortaleza. Another good receive in the middle. Long shot once again for the CBSUA Buffaloes. And a timeout for the CBSUA. And now, after the short break, we'll be back only here at Aragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Now back on the hard court. Ateneo is now ahead against the Buffaloes. So Ateneo is trying to get a point here. A Buffalo, Mescue. The Lady Knights chance to get a point, targeting the down the line, but no good. Easy pickup. That's a good dig. Coming from the Buffalo, we are seeing a long rally here. Soft touch. No good. Now on the middle. An almost point. Now on the open. Great dig by Dalibero. But the point will go to the Ateneo Lady Knights. Wasn't able to pick up that ball.
It was such a good long rally, but still, minsan talaga hindi maganda yung one hand na hinahabol mo yung bola because you cannot control it easily. But still a good try, and with the help of the net, no anticipation there for the Buffaloes. Point for the Ateneo. It's 11-7. Now still on the service line, Fortaleza. Good ball. No call by the referee. And that goes straight down to the net.
Now straight to the net. Wasn't a very good set, but I think, if the setter doesn't give you a very good set, you have to adjust as a spiker, Kelly.
Correct. You need to adjust, lalo na kapag kailangan talagang pumuntos dito. And they don't need to be complacent kasi nga, plug ang bola. What will be happening? On that scene, puntos for the Ateneo Lady Knights. Now serving. A service error. Nagbigay lamang dito ng puntos ang Ateneo. It's 12-9. Tatlo na lamang ang kalamangan dito. See if they can tie this up, but now serving jersey number 12, Masalunga. Another straight to the net for the Ateneo.
Now a free point for Lady Buffaloes. The Ateneo. Now chance for them na makabawi. Good pickup. An open attack challenging the double block. Again, a free ball. Free ball again.
Good save there. Masalunga. And a good for Renton. Nilaban yung bola on the net. And making it a check ball. Puntos. Tatlo na naman po ang kalamangan dito ng Ateneo Lady Knights. Now on the service line, jersey number 4, Sese. Now chance. Another error for Renton. No wrist action once again for the spiker.
Again, Kelly, it's important to minimize errors. Because Ateneo is now on the lead. I think they have to protect their lead now because we know CBSUA Buffaloes can really take over those leads.
Correct. And Aljan, the Ateneo Ladies should make this an advantage na lamang sila para makakuha ng set dito sa larong ito. But right now on the screen, Fortaleza with that receive in the middle, top spin. Now on the back, chance. Pick up by the middle. Another for Renton. Set in the middle. And that's a good off spin. Actually a miss hit coming from the CBSUA Buffaloes. And the Ateneo Lady Knights did not anticipate na hindi pa naman bumababa yung bola and pwede pa. But still, they felt overwhelmed inside the court. But let's see right now, it's 13-12. Isa na lamang ang kalamangan dito ng Ateneo. With that long shot, good pick up. Now chance, giving to the Ateneo. Masalunga in the middle. Hulog. Open. And a cross-court hit and a little bit of stare down there for the CBSUA Buffaloes, and we are tied up with 13 all.
The Buffalo still on the deck to serve. Now we're tied up at 13. On the open, soft touch is no good. One hand save and a great save coming from CBSUA. And again, one hand save, couldn't handle that. A point for the Ateneo.
Yes, Aljan, for sure, may mapapagalitan dito sa side ng CBSUA Buffaloes kasi kanina pa, even the coaches are telling them it's really important, you know, lalo na sa training na wag mag one hand kasi you cannot control it easily. But let's see right now, Fortaleza on the middle. Another miss set there. A long shot now. Another hulog. Good pick up. Chance once again. Let's see if makakapuntos dito ang Ateneo. Masalunga for Fortaleza. And that hit in the middle. Point for the Ateneo Lady Knights. It's 15-13.
Well, that was a miscue there on the side of Buffalo. The other defenders was ready to get that ball, but you know, miscommunication happens. Now on the open, straight to the net for touches. That's good, targeting the end line.
Now the Ateneo Lady Knights umaabante dito. They have 4 points advantage. They need to be consistent on this to notch another set and push through going to the fourth or deciding set. And it's a service ace for the Ateneo. Timeout called for the Buffaloes, and we will be back after the short break.
Now back on the hard court, 18-13. Ateneo is now dominating this second set. On the open, soft touch is no good. Easily dug up on the open. Now rebound. Another free ball and a good pickup. Again, the ball back to Ateneo. Soft touch is no good in the middle. And a long rally. Who is gonna end it? And a good hustle for the Lady Knights. Again, tries for CBSUA. Now Ateneo sweeping the floor here. 1-2 play, no good. Now chance for Ateneo. And that was sending it outside. The pressure is on for both of this team. Now on the deck to serve, Buffalo. That sails inside. Back-to-back points 3 points away in tying this second set. Another unforced error. The Ateneo is on the deck to serve. Another free ball. And a great attack. Let's look at
Now the Ateneo Lady Knights still having a three points advantage. And with that service error, kapapasok pa lang. But an error for jersey number 6. And it's 20-16. Last 5 points to get this set for the Lady Knights. But another service error, palitan lamang ng puntos dito.
the 3 points away to tie this set. Again, a back-to-back-to-back service error for both of this team.
You can feel the adrenaline on the both teams dito. Now on the Buffaloes, and a good the miscommunication for the Ateneo Lady Knights.
Now they are serving, and I hope, Kelly, fingers crossed makapasok na siya because, in the previous moment, consecutive unforced errors
Back
in
to
the
back to
servers.
back.
That's true.
That's it right now, and it's a success for the both teams. But with that error once again, actually Aljan, kanina pa natin nakikita yung palitan ng atake ng dalawang kupunan. It always goes straight down to the net. At there's no clean shots for the both teams. Talagang nababawi lang dito sa error. And it's 21-19. Dalawa na lamang kalamangan ng Ateneo, and let's see dito. Yun, with that hulog. Puntos for the Ateneo. Now jersey number 6 serving. The open. Good hustle there, but hindi na ipasok yung bola. It's 22-20. Dalawa na lamang. The Ateneo must not be complacent on this. Dahil alam natin kayang habulin. And the CBSUA has the advantage since they won the first set. Now let's see kung paano babawian dito yung error na yon. With that off speed and point for the Ateneo, it's 23-20. Eight seconds violation for the Ateneo, and it's a timeout. Magbabalik po tayo dito lamang sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Back on the hard court. Now, CBSUA serving. 21-23. Good defense there. Now again, chance for CBSUA. No, risk action on that attack. Ateneo now is at point.
Jersey number 2 out and 10 in. A set point for the Lady Knights. Another long shot, and that ends the second set. It's 25-21. Naipanalo nga dito ng Ateneo. It's 1-1 for the both teams. And we're now heading on the third set only here on Bucal Season 6 Men's and Women's Volleyball. Dito lamang yan sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Ako si Jericho Rosales, sarong aktor, kasurog kang kalikasan, Oragon, Bicolano. Ang boto ko, ako Bicol. Ako Bicol, 131 sa balota.
Ano man ang pangarap mo, matutupad yan dito sa NCF.
College of Computer Studies, College of Arts and Sciences, College of Teacher Education, College of Accountancy and Finance, College of Business and Management, College of Engineering, College of Health Sciences,
Back on the hard court. Now we are tied up with one set apiece. Both teams really showcased their talent. Ateneo was able to make a comeback on the second set, resulting to have an extended match. Now Ateneo is on the deck to serve, jersey number 12.
You're seeing on the screen in the middle, Fortaleza. A good dig there. Chance. Oops, medyo nag-agawan doon. And another straight to the net. Hit for Santelices. Now serving for the Buffaloes. Another misset. Chance. Spike in the middle. A check ball called by the referee. Point for the Buffaloes. we'll be seeing right now. Service error, libreng puntos for the Ateneo. Now jersey number 17 serving. Another straight to the net. Hit for the team captain. Puntos for the Ateneo Lady. Rather for the Ateneo Lady Knights. But right now, let's hear an update on the side of the Lady Knights. April, take it away.
Thank you, Aljan and Kelly. And good evening to our live viewers na nakatutok pa rin ngayon as we enter the third set with a 1-1 standing. There you have it. Talagang bumawi ang Ateneo Lady Knights on the second set, putting on their defensive mode and activating their service ace. Sabi nga ni Coach on the huddle, okay lang mag-error basta babawiin lang. Huwag matakot, kumalma at huminga. Talagang ramdam na ramdam ang determination on this side. And I know that just like me, you can't wait who will clutch the victory. This is again April Berano Camo from the bench of Ateneo, keeping you updated. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, April. We can really see that the Ateneo gave it their all on the previous set, and now they are down 2, and we can really see how they are putting effort in this set.
Yun nga, Aljan, huwag matakot na mag-error. Just always try. Always use what they had in the training. And of course, huminga. Dahil we can see all the frustrations every time they have error right now. But syempre, it's part of the game and they need to fight for it to win this game. But now seeing on the screen with that spike coming from the middle. And now, to hear an update on the side of the Buffaloes, Dylan, ano ang update dyan?
Thank you, Kelly and Aljan. Sa pagpasok nga ng second set, nananatili pa rin ang Gigil athlete ng Gigil Buffaloes to win this game. The Lady Buffaloes struggle to maintain their energy. However, they keep reminding each other to focus, to live the moment, and be consistent. Payo ni Coach sa mga players na iwasan ang paggawa ng errors at huwag maging complacent habang nasa loob ng court. At dahil nga sa multiple errors, the Lady Buffaloes lost the second set for this game. Makakabawi pa kaya ang Lady Buffaloes or Ateneo Lady Knights will continue to win? Yan ang ating aabangan dito lang sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Dylan. Buffaloes, although may mga struggles in the previous set, but they are now ahead 1 point, and we'll now see if they can close this set and really, putting pressure on the Ateneo side.
You know, Aljan, the game has always its pressure. It's on how these players will take this game to be able to win. At syempre, sabi nga kanina ni Dylan on the update, they need to be consistent and be focused. Syempre, to win this game. At yun nga yung naging kaso kanina sa second set dahil natalo sila ng Lady Knights dito. But let's see if the Lady Knights will continue this win or kakayanin na makuha ng Buffaloes.
Well, kailangan kayanin, Kelly, ng Buffaloes, because knowing that Ateneo can be unpredicted in terms of sweeping the points, especially what happened on the previous set. And now Ateneo, lamang sila ngayon. So ang Buffalo talagang kailangan nilang paganahin ang kanilang opensa at depensa.
Yes, Aljan, and now seeing on the screen, another rally, another chance ball. It's 6-4. Now, let's see. To the open. A good spike. So far, that's the cleanest spike coming from the Buffalo. Good receive, good set, and of course, a good attack. And I think that's what they need in order to get this set. Isa na lamang ang kalamangan dito ng Ateneo. And let's see kung paano mababawi dito ng Buffaloes. Now serving jersey number 4. Good. Now set in the middle. Another good hit coming from the CBSUA.
That's what we're waiting, Kelly, you know.
Aljan.
The powerful attacks from these girls of CBSUA kasi may mga height sila naman, matatangkad.
Actually, yeah.
So we are waiting for that, you know, impactful and powerful attack coming from them. Now we're tied at 6.
And that's actually what they need right now, Aljan. Now Masalunga to Fortaleza with a chance. Good save. Fortaleza once again. Now in the middle again. Good dig there. On the back. Now to the open. Another hit coming from jersey number 5. It's Bermilio. And we really love how these attacks works for the Buffaloes. Ayan na, lumalabas na po ang gigil dito ng Buffaloes, and we are now seeing it on their faces. Good chance again. A point once again for Bermilio.
Now the game phase is on, I would say, Kelly, because Bermilio on the previous set, we didn't see her like that, right? Kanina medyo safe pa, but now she actually come off from her shell. So madaming powerful na siyang pinapakawalan ngayon.
Now Aljan, Masalunga to Fortaleza, and that's a long shot. 3 points lead. Three-point lead for the CBSUA Buffaloes. Now still on the service line. Another good serve. Talunga 2. Now chance again. Another good hit. Chance. Received there by Bermilio and attack by Bermilio. Good ag there by the libero in the middle. But that was a misreceive coming from Bermilio. 9-7, 2-point lead for the CBSUA Buffaloes. Now on the service line, jersey number 13, serving. And with the help of the net, 1 point na lamang ang kalamangan dito to tie this game, to tie this up on this set. And that's a service ace and officially tied up with 9 points. Still on the service line, Fortaleza. And down, it's in the line. Puntos, lamang na po dito ng isang puntos ang Ateneo.
That was a 3-0 run for the Ateneo Lady Knights. A change of momentum happened. Again, a powerful serve. Good dig. Now on the middle attack. Good dive. That's outside.
Nabubuhayan na ng diwa dito ang Ateneo Lady Knights with the 11-9 score. And now they are the advantage with 2 points. And another error shot coming from the Buffaloes, and they will be calling a timeout. And we will be back after this short break. We are back now on the hard court for the continuation of the third set. It's 12-9 and the table have turned. Lamang na po dito ang Ateneo Golden Knights. And that spike. Good hustle there, chance. Termilio. Another long shot. Error once again for the Buffaloes.
No, Ateneo have to be steady on this set because they're ahead against the Buffalo, and again a point for Ateneo. It means that they are actually enjoying the game and really eyeing to get a point one step at a time. 14-9. Now chance again for Lady Knights on the open. A little bit too long. The 4-point lead for the Ateneo. That sails outside. Pressure is on the side of the CBSUA. Nice hustle for CBSUA. A drop ball is good. No one is there to back up that save.
Another one-hand save anticipated by CBSUA. And an easy point for the Golden Knights. Now, chance. Cross court. Dog there. Miss set. Free ball. Chance for CBSUA. In the middle. And a good point. It's 16-11. Puntos dito ng CBSUA Buffalo. Nice hulog there. Another long shot. Long shot once again. No wrist actions for the spikers of the Buffaloes. Kaya naman lamang na po dito ng 6 na puntos ang Ateneo without errors.
Again, Hagokoy. And they stop the bleeding from that unforced error. A point for CBSUA. Hagokoy is on the deck to serve. A soft touch is no good. Again, an overset. Joust at the net. A point for Ateneo.
Now serving jersey number 12 for the Lady Knights. Good receive there. Chance to add another point again. Centelisas with that hulog. And it's an effective for the Lady Knight. Puntos. It's 19-12.
Six-point away and closing the second set for the Lady Knights. A good serve. Again, a chance for Ateneo to get this point. On the middle, catches the line. A good target on that attack.
Now chance for the Lady Knights. Centelisas with that long shot. Good spike there. Now Fortaleza. Chance for the CBSUA. CBSUA in the middle. Good pick up. Set by Fortaleza. Now a free ball. In the middle. And the point for the Lady Knights. A net touch violation called for CBSUA. 21-12. Now serving. Good receive there. Chance once again. Fortaleza with the receive. To her once again. Now chance. To the open. Centelisas with the help of the net. Puntos. It's 22-12. Tatlo na lamang dito ang kakailanganin na puntos to win this set. Now serving Renton. Inside!
That was a good target, Kelly. No one is there to get that ball. Now 2 points away in getting this second set. Good serve again. A miscue on the middle. 1-2 play is no good. Now a free ball chance for Buffaloes. On the open. Now we're seeing a long rally here. And on the middle, Buffalo tries. But a good defense of Ateneo.
What a long rally right now. And that ended on that error. Good intention actually. But kinapos yung tulak na yon. Kaya naman puntos. And a set point for the Ateneo. Now serving still jersey number 12. But a service error. And that ends the third set with that error from CBSUA Buffaloes. Patuloy po natin ang ating fourth set. Let's see if makukuha ng Ateneo or the Buffaloes will advance it on the final set. Dito lamang yan sa Bucal Season 6, only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Ako si Jericho Rosales, sarong aktor, kasurog kang kalikasan, Oragon, Bicolano. Ang boto ko, ako Bicol. Ako Bicol, 131 sa balota.
Ano man ang pangarap mo, matutupad yan dito sa NCF.
College of Computer Studies, College of Arts and Sciences, College of Teacher Education, College of Accountancy and Finance, College of Business and Management, College of Engineering, College of Health Sciences, College of Criminal Justice Education. Let your quest begin here at the Naga College Foundation, because we don't just
back on the ball game. Now 2 set apiece. We are now at the 4th set of this game. Ateneo was able to dominate the 3rd set, while the Buffaloes are really struggling on the previous set. But I'm sure that they will make a comeback with a few adjustments in terms of their offense and defense. Now, a good serve coming from them. A good start for the 4th set. Now to hear more some update on the side of the Lady Buffaloes. This thought set to our courtside reporter Dylan.
Thank you, Kelly and Aljan. Sa pagsisimula nga ng 3rd set, porsigido ang Lady Buffaloes na makabawi at may panalo ang 3rd set for this game. According to coach, the team needs to always have their team connection and have their 100% energy para makapuntos. The team now lost their presence of mind while playing sa loob ng court. But the Lady Buffaloes tried to maintain their energy and excitement that they have in the 1st set of this game. Ayun pa nga kay Coach Ray, the team also needs to strengthen their defense for them to secure a sure win. However, due to a lot of errors again, Lady Buffaloes lost another set for this matchup. The team are still hopeful and ready to bounce back with a stronger performance and stronger offense and defense here at the fourth set. Yan muna ang update dito sa side ng Buffaloes. Back to the panel.
Thank you, Dylan, on that update. With that loss on the second and third set, of course, kailangan bawiin dito ng Buffaloes ang panalo to advance on the deciding set. Siyempre, let's see if makukuha ba or papayag ba ang Ateneo Golden Knights na makuha ito sa kanila. But we are now seeing on the screen a rally, but that hit is an error for the Ateneo Lady Knights. But right now, to hear an update, let's hear it from our courtside reporter, April. Take it away.
Thank you, Aljon and Kelly. It's another win nga for the ADNU Lady Knights on the third set. The ultimate goal ay may balik nga ang dating laro ng Ateneo at talagang naibalik ang focus at ito nga ang ipinakita nila ngayon. Makakabawi kaya ang CBSUA Buffaloes or it's a victory for the Lady Knights? You don't wanna miss that, so continue watching us live here on Aragon Sports TV. Yan lamang ang update natin on this side of ADNU. This is again April Birano Camo, keeping you updated. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, April. You know, Ateneo really wanting to close this fourth set because they don't want to prolong it, knowing that the Buffaloes can actually dominate them. But, you know, a few adjustments are now seeing on the side of Ateneo, and we'll see if they can close this fourth set.
Now it's 4-2 in favor of Buffaloes. Good pickup there. Point for the Ateneo. Now a chance to tie this score. Fortaleza. A good pickup there for CBSUA. Good dig. And it's a point for the CBSUA Buffalo.
The Buffalo is on the deck to serve Silvestre. On the cross court, dug up. The free ball for the Lady Knights. Soft touch. Now another chance for the Lady Knights. Long attack as defended. Now more chances is given to Ateneo. That was a good attack from the middle, targeting that cross court.
Now serving Fortaleza. No chance for the Ateneo. Good pickup there. Chance once again. A misset and a miscue there. Now, another good attack from the CBSUA. Check ball. It's 6-4. Lamang na po dito ang CBSUA. Now serving, team captain. Good serve. And it's a point, a double contact violation called for Masalunga.
Now an exchange of momentum for this set. 7-4 in favor of Lady Buffaloes.
A 3-point lead for the Buffaloes and an inside 4-point lead right now. Mukhang iaabante nga dito ng Buffaloes on the deciding set. And let's see if they will be consistent or makukuha pa rin ng Lady Knights ang larong ito. Still on the service line. Fortaleza with the receive. Masalunga. Good dig there. Now on the open. Good ball. Free ball. Chance. In the middle. A long shot again for the Buffaloes. I will saying right now, Kidoles will go inside and jersey number 1 will go outside. Now jersey number 6 serving. Oops, a lucky point for the CBSUA. It's 9-5.
Now, Lady Buffaloes are really putting pressure on the side of Ateneo. Miscues on the side of Ateneo is pretty evident in this set, but we'll see if they can adjust in this moment. A good attack at the back row.
That's in a half point. It's 10-5. 5 puntos ang kalamangan dito ng Buffalo. And you're correct, Aljon. The Buffaloes are putting pressure for the Lady Knights. And a block coming from Kidoles. And a timeout for the Ateneo. And now we will go back after this short break.
Now, a good serve coming from Buffalo. And 4 touches is awarded to Ateneo.
7-point lead for the Buffaloes. At mukhang makakakita tayo dito ng 5th set at that point. Good pick up there. Hulog. And it's a point for the Ateneo. It's 12-6. Now jersey number 4 serving.
Again, a miscue on the side of the CBSUA. Now in this moment, Kelly, Ateneo must take advantage of this opportunity while the CBSUA are committing many miscues and also misattacks and unforced errors because CBSU is still ahead. Now Ateneo serves. Good dig. Ateneo down the line is pick up at the pipe. And that was a good point, finding that zone at hole. Good pick up there. Gawa ng paraan. And a crossing violation called to jersey number 12, Renton. And puntos for the Buffaloes. It's a 13-8. Now chance in the middle. Chance for the Ateneo. Malasunga. One hand dig is good. Now a good save for CBSUA. 1-2 play is no good. Targeting the end zone. Masalunga to the open, and she saw that donut hole. Puntos for the Ateneo. Now serving number 12. Good receive there. A set to the open. Good anticipation. Now free ball. Let's see. They will get this point. Sayang yung save na yon. That first touch coming from Santelices. Now jersey number 2 serving. Fortaleza. Targeting the down the line is good. Now Ateneo still trying to catch up in this 4-point lead. And a good serve coming from that girl. Down to 3 points. Serving. Good dig there. Another free ball. Now set. Chance. Masalunga. The open. Santelices. But it's a point for the Buffaloes. It's 15-11. Apat ang kalamangan dito. Now serving on the side of the Buffaloes. Jersey number 8. Now in the middle. Good approach there. Now Fortaleza to Santelices. Long cut there. Chance once again. To Fortaleza in the middle. Chance. Another soft touch. Good save. And that goes outside. That goes outside. Point for the Ateneo. It's 15-12. Good serve by Santelices. In the middle. Good approach. Now chance. Free ball. Going to the open. And
an error committed by the Buffaloes, and they will be calling timeout. Be back after a very short break.
Now chance for Buffalo, towering that blocker. Now a free ball. Again, soft touch is no good. Free ball for the Ateneo. Touch violation. No point will go to the Lady Buffaloes. Miscalculated attack that sails out. 17-13.
Paabante ng paabante dito ang Buffaloes. Now serving jersey number 4. Now Fortaleza. And that hits the line. Puntos for the Ateneo. It's 17-14. Still, lamang ng dalawang set ang Ateneo. Fortaleza on the service. But it's an outside. 18-14.
4 points lead for Lady Buffaloes. The question is, can Ateneo close this fourth set, or will we extend on the fifth and deciding set? Ateneo says, no, we will not going to extend this. Down to 3 points lead dito.
It's always the one big fight for the Ateneo. So far, that's the most cleanest hit coming from them. And let's see if magagawa pa nila to bring this into a win. Now, in the middle, good pickup. But a 1-2 play error for Masalunga. 19-15, another 4-point lead. And that hits the line, antenna rather. Puntos for the Lady Knights. Now serving. And a service error. Now, chance for the Ateneo in the middle. Another chance. Masalunga set the open. Good pick up. Another one. Masalunga with a 1-2 play in the middle. Good pick up by the libero. And a chance for the Buffalo. Good pick up once again, Masalunga. And that hits the point for the Ateneo.
And that long rally ended with that donut hole point. Now both teams are not giving up from that sequence. Now 2017. Ateneo still catching up on this lead.
Now Renton on the service line. Good serve. Chance for the Buffalo. Another good dig. But it's a double contact violation. 17-21 and timeout for the Ateneo Golden Knights. And we will be back after the short break. We are now back for the continuation of the fourth set. It's 21-17. Now Buffalo. 22-17.
Three points away to extending this match for Buffaloes. Straight to the net attack.
Hindi na itawid yung bola ni Fortaleza. Still on the service line. Fortaleza with that hit. Puntos for the Ateneo. Now serving. Masalunga, but an error. Set point for the Buffaloes. One last point to go to the last and deciding set. Now serving jersey number 8. Chance. Ateneo Fortaleza with long shot. And it's a point for the Ateneo. Now another timeout for the Buffalo. And let's get it back there later on after this very short break. We are now back. Still, set point for the Buffaloes. And the Ateneo says no. Another stop for the set point. It's 24-20. Good serve. Now chance for the Ateneo. Masalunga to Fortaleza. Good pickup. Chance once again. Receive. Masalunga to Fortaleza. Gawa ng paraan. Now chance to end this set. Now to the opposite, and that goes straight down to the net. At dyan po nagtatapos ang ating first set, and later on we'll be back for the last and deciding set only here on Bucal Season 6 Men's and Women's Volleyball live at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Ako si Jericho Rosales, sarong aktor, kasurog kang kalikasan, Oragon, Bicolano. Ang boto ko, ako Bicol. Ako Bicol, 131 sa balota.
Ano man ang pangarap mo, matutupad yan dito sa NCF.
College of Computer Studies, College of Arts and Sciences, College of Teacher Education, College of Accountancy and Finance, College of Business and Management, College of Engineering, College of Health Sciences, College of Criminal Justice Education. Let your quest begin here at the Naga College Foundation, because we don't just educate.
We're back at the fifth and deciding set of this match between Lady Buffaloes and Lady Knights. Now this is actually an intense set for both of the teams. Now they have to showcase their best in this fifth and deciding set.
Yeah, this will be the last set for this game. Labanan na dito ng tibay ng loob kung sino nga ba ang makakakuha ng larong ito. Now on the serving. No chance. St. Felices. Good save there. Set to the open. Long shot. Good pickup once again. Masalunga. Ngayon, another. We're seeing a long rally right now. Fortaleza. To the open, and that goes straight to the net. Puntos for the Lady Knight. Now on the service line, still. Good pickup there, but medyo nalakasan yung kuha ng bola. Puntos for the Buffaloes. It's 1-1 right now.
Now jersey number 2 of the Buffalo is on the deck to serve. Good first ball. And a free ball chance for the Buffalo. Another back-to-back free ball. Straight to the net. A wasted opportunity. Point will go to the Lady Buffalo.
And we are saying right now it's 2-1. 1 point lead for the Buffalo. And let's see if they will clutch this game. Now serving. Good pickup there. Set. Oops, a miss set once again. A point for the Buffalo. It's 3-1. Now still on the service line, jersey number 2. Now chance in the middle. And a point for the Buffalo once again. But right now, let's hear an update on the side of the Ateneo Lady Knights. April, take it away.
Medyo kinulang ang ADNU Lady Knights with some of their service error, but of course, they will come back stronger on the 5th set. Yan lamang ang update on the bench of Lady Knights. This is April Camo, your courtside reporter. Back to the panel.
The Ateneo, we're expecting to make a big comeback on this 5th set as they are down 4 points against the Lady Buffaloes. Now, Buffaloes is now climbing up the ladder to get the 15 points. That was a good serve. Now, another free ball on the middle. On the middle again, soft touch is dug up. Great coverage from Ateneo. Now back again for Buffaloes. And that was a 2 touches violation. And a free point for the Lady Knights. Now to hear more some update coming from Lady Buffalo, let's toss it to our courtside reporter, Dylan.
Thank you, Kelly and Aljan. At sa 4th set nga, patuloy na nagpasiklab ng kanilang tibay at talino ang Lady Buffaloes. They keeps reminding each other to trust each team member for them to perform a good team chemistry while inside of the court. Coach Ray also reminds the team to stick to their strategy and have the same goal. Because of perseverance and determination, the Lady Buffaloes managed to bounce back stronger and won the 4th set of this matchup. The 5th set is a crucial set for teams. May papanalo nga kaya ng Lady Buffaloes ang laban o maiuwi ng Ateneo Lady Knights ang tagumpay? Yan ang tututukan natin dito lang sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Again, this is your courtside reporter, Dylan Talagtag. Back to the panel.
Thank you, Dylan. Last and deciding set for the Buffaloes. And let's see if makukuha nga dito considering that they are now leading with 2 points. The Buffalo. Now, good spike. A chance to get this point. No good. The opposite for the Ateneo. Now setting on the middle, but a chance for the Ateneo Lady Knights. And it's a point for the Ateneo Lady Knights.
Now Ateneo is really fighting to tie up this point. They're now down only 1 point. A chance for them to close the spike, and that's easy as it is. 5 points, deadlock on the 5th set. Now, magbabalik po kami for more action only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
UAP pala. Lady Eagles. Pabagit at Lady Bulldogs na yan. Buffalo Lady Bulldogs.
Now we are back on the hard court. It's 5-all for the both teams. Kanina nga on the triple, we've seen that attack coming from the Ateneo. Now serving. Setting on the middle. And a good hit there for the Buffaloes. And it's 6-5.
Now look at that replay. Pounding it through a single block. Now Buffalo is on the deck to serve. Silvestre. No chance for the Ateneo. But a free ball is given to the Buffalo on the middle. Good pickup. Straight to the net. 3 point for the Buffaloes.
Another goes straight to the net hit from the Ateneo Knights. At syempre, lamang po ng 2 puntos dito ang Buffaloes to get this game. Let's see. Now, Masalunga. And with that hit, good pickup there. Now, setting in the middle, but a chance. Masalunga once again to Fortaleza. Good pickup. And that's a long shot. Actually, a good placement. Pero medyo nalagsan doon. Kaya naman, libreng puntos for the Ateneo.
Now on the open, a miss hit. We are again deadlocked. 7-all.
Now, good hit from Renton. Fortaleza to Masalunga. But an outside hit coming from Cese. Now change court because it's 8-7. Lamang po dito ang Buffaloes.
On the deck to serve their team captain, Bermelio. Again, no risk action on that attack. Now, Bermelio, their team captain, who showcased her leadership on her team. That was a great hustle, but a point will still be awarded to Ateneo.
Now on the service line, jersey number 6. Serving.
The chance for Ateneo on the open soft touch is dug up. Again in the open, great pickup. A high ball. Now a chance for Ateneo to close this. Cut shot is dug up. On the push, but straight to the net. Where again, deadlock at 9. Too soft, Kelly, that's true. It's all about high risk, high reward on this 5th and deciding set. Now, Buffaloes are 4 points away in winning this game. Now, Bermelio, kapos lang, 10-11.
spike. And a chance once again. Masalunga, but a misset. Now chance. Let's see if they will get the point. Good day by Fortaleza. Masalunga with a set, another misset. Ayun. Good placement, but a nice save there by the setter. A chance for the Buffalo. Starting in the middle. A soft touch. Now, again for the Buffaloes. Chance for the Ateneo. Renton with a spike. And now we are seeing a long rally between the two teams. Masalunga setting up to Renton. Gandang bantay doon. A chance, free ball. Another chance for the Buffaloes. Setting in the middle. Another love. From the Ateneo, but Renton to Virgilio.
That was a very long rally, and I think crowds are holding their breath again. But again, an unforced error committed by Ateneo, forcing that one. A free point for the Lady Buffaloes. Now again, chance for the Lady Buffaloes to get this point. Now again, free ball, a long ball. Now on the open, single block is no good. A 1-2 play is well read. And again, we are tied at 12. The Ateneo is on the deck to serve. Good pick up. Free ball again. On the middle. Dug up. Rejected by the blocker. 1-2 play is dug up. And that rally ends with a point for Lady Buffaloes. Let's look at that sequence again. The libero couldn't get that ball. Now 2 points away for the Buffaloes to win this match. Well, now, Kelly, the question here is, can the Buffalo end this match, or will the Ateneo extend it? That's the big question mark.
That ends the game. Dito lamang sa Oragon Sports TV Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Ako si Jericho Rosales, sarong aktor, kasurog kang kalikasan, Oragon, Bicolano. Ang boto ko, ako Bicol. Ako Bicol, 131 sa balota.
Ano man ang pangarap mo, matutupad yan dito sa NCF.
College of Computer Studies, College of Arts and Sciences, College of Teacher Education, College of Accountancy and Finance, College of Business and Management, College of Engineering, College of Health Sciences, College of Criminal Justice Education. Let your quest begin here at the Naga College Foundation because we don't just educate, we elevate.
Experience NCF high-quality education and be part of the community of champions. Be a Tiger now.
Leap into the future.
At the heart of every dreamer lies the future of limitless possibilities.
At Naga College Foundation, we understand the journey. With proper guidance, inclusive community, and state-of-the-art facilities, your dreams can become a reality. We are a training ground for future innovators, where quality education continues to thrive and service meets excellence. We develop students for more than a career. We equip them with the right skills and attitude to leap into a future of limitless possibilities. Your future is waiting. All you have to do is to begin. Meet your future self and choose NCF.
Welcome to Naga College Foundation Incorporated, College of Accountancy and Finance.
Our best player of the game is brought to you by Naga College Foundation, the home of the champions, Lip into the future, and of course, the Lemon Residences, live your dreams and create memories. And joining with me today, of course, the best player of the game from the CBSUA Buffaloes, we have jersey number 5, Hanome Bermilio, with 13 points, 11 attacks, 2 aces, and 3 excellence in digging. Congratulations! After that 5 thrilling sets, how does it feel na naipanalo nyo yung laro?
Nakakapagod po siya and talagang sobrang tigtrabaho namin yon and yun, napagtagumpayan namin dahil sa teamwork and tiyaga talaga.
You guys are down with 1 set against the Ateneo Lady Knights. Ano yung naging puhunan nyo or naging motivasyon nyo para maipanalo at maipush ito into the 5th thrilling set?
Dahil naging inspirasyon namin yung isa't isa para lalo kaming mag-pursue sa volleyball and talagang pinapangarap namin na makaabot ng semis.
So ngayong naipanalo nyo yung quarterfinals, ano yung masasabi nyo na nabigyan ng hustisya yung training at pasok na kayo sa semifinal?
Worth it po at nagpapasalamat po ako sa mga sa coaches namin na sobrang nagtututok talaga sa amin sa pagtitraining and walang sawang suporta.
May gusto ka bang batiin?
Binabati ko po yung mama ko na laging sumusuporta sa akin, supportive mom and sa mga tita ko and pinsan ko, yun po. At nagpapasalamat po ako sa sports director namin, si Sir Jun Saluna and sa aming school president po, Mr. Naperi. Thank you po sa suporta. Yan lang po.
Thank you very much. And that's our best player of the game with 13 points. She is jersey number 5, Hanome Bermilio. At yan po ay hatid sa atin ng Naga College Foundation, home of the champions, Lip into the future, and Lemon Residences, live your dreams, create memories.
Congratulations, CBSUA Lady Buffaloes, for that breathtaking away 5th set match against the Ateneo Lady Knights. You've showcased what really a skill in volleyball is.
You know, it's a 5 thrilling sets. With that, both teams talagang pinakita yung husay. Defense, offense, medyo may kinakapos lang when it comes to attacks, but still, it's part of the game. Once again, ito po ang Bucal Season 6 Men's and Women's Volleyball, only here on GNTV-Naga at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.